6'2". Straight pipes from the cat back. So today I am bringing you guys along with me to AutoZone, pick up some cheat code chemicals that clean up these bikes like no other. All right, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. Either Mother's Wheel and Tire Cleaner, but if you can't find that, grab some of this. You want something that has no acid in the mixture. It is the craziest thing when you spray this on your quad. I'll show you in a little. Regular gas. And then I'm gonna take it, roll it around. It is really fucking cold out. You have no idea out here, man. As you can see, you see the dirt literally falling out. Now, I'd say that's pretty clean, but I'm just gonna hit it with the when the bitch is dirty, we take her apart. That's all there is to it. Gonna do the exhaust gaskets and a couple other miscellaneous things to make this thing back to where it was. It just needs a little bit of love right now. Bang bang, just like that. Just like that, people. Here we go. Is the O-ring bad or is it good? I don't know. Doesn't look bad. Okay, there's one, and then there's two. Okay. There we go. Yeah, the O-ring on that one is literally not even there. All right, Jake, say what's up.
What's going on?
Pitter's out. You know how we do this. Since '83, we've been bagging shit up. Bagged up. Took off both exhausts. Bagged up. About to get the pressure cleaner getting loose on every single thing around here. Degreasing, degreasing, degreasing. No grease. No grease, 40. Gotta be out of your mind if you think we have any grease on our bikes. No grease. Yeah. I'm gonna dry this thing off. It needs a lot of it. Absolutely blast the whole bike like a savage. All the tires, the rims, everything, and you will watch the dirt, grime, everything fall right off. everything is coming off little by little. It's crazy, it really is. Look up here, all the dirt's coming off. Gorgeous. Look at Here we are, peeps. Speedy all metal polish. We're coming back in on the T5s. Those shitty gas lines out of here. New gas lines. In there, boy. Everything is getting diced up crazy. Sheesh! Them things are mirrors. Crazy. You can see what I'm recording right there. Crazy. I cleaned the insides of the exhaust pipes. Make sure that the high temperature RTV would stick in all the cracks and crevices real nice. Then going down by the cylinders, cleaned up the outsides right there, roughed them up with some coarse steel wool, make sure the RTV sticks, and then cleaned it all with some brake clean on a rag. This is an honorable mention here. You see what this is? That's a cold air intake, but not for my GMC Sierra. This is for a 2021 or 2022 F-150 5.0 regular cab that I just got. It's coming in pretty soon, actually, so be on the lookout for that.
I'm eating that and anything else for the rest of the day. Did you not let the dogs have this?
Not any longer, Dak.
How'd you do that?
That. In and feel it go in. You know? Bada bong bong. Second header pipe has been installed now. It was a pain in the ass because of the new springs. Absolutely rigid as heck. But we're getting some minor squeeze out, which is beautiful. Exactly what we want. Exactly what we got on this side as well. You see the little minor squeeze out? It's beautiful. It's exactly what we want. So we're gonna let it dry. We're gonna make it mint. Final touches right now. Hopefully that's gonna stick nice. That's what I'm praying for. Some good stickage and no leakage. That would be the most ideal here. Super light layer on the underneath. Same thing. Another pretty light layer. There we go. Pro design has been installed. Next up is the plastics. Blah.